Hi, I'm Yvonne from Mildura in Victoria. I've been using Medkey for around 5 years. Um, Also done a little bit of EBT therapy with the horses, but the Medkey just is brilliant. I first saw the Medkey performed on a human, and obviously with the clinic that I have, the human side of it, I was blown away by the results straight away. Then followed it through into the equine side of things, having a racing stable, very interesting. So, and it's just seeing firsthand the results. Our performance, once the horses are treated, the performance is amazing. Like they just, the muscles, the tendons, everything, like the healing process of it all. Um, yeah, it's a game changer, really. They'll have 1 or 2 treatments a week. They can have a treatment before and after the race. Definitely, yes, 100%. Yeah.